Good morning mga ka-mindset, and we're very nagpapasalamat po kami. We're here, we have another vlog for today. We are invited for a grand opening for a Wang. It's actually a bag fashion, and dito po tayo malapit sa Plaza Independencia. So tara, let's! Good morning mga ka-mindset, and we're here. We are here in Wang. Yay! Alright. So I have here today yung katabi ko po. She's actually one of the owner of Wang, and we will get to know more about the Wang, that how come andito sila sa Cebu, no? So we have here katabi ko si Ma'am Weng. Yay! Ma'am Weng, how are you?
Okay naman.
Ayun, very good. Sir, normal lang po yun kasi tao tayo, no? Sa mga mindset. And we're just curious po, bakit the name of the bags that you have is Wang?
Yeah. Combination yan. Katulad nung nung nilaunch ko siya ng Feb, sa video ko. Sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, combination siya ng nickname ko, Weng and Nang. So, Weng ako sa close friends and Nang ako sa family.
Ayun, kaya pala.
Yeah. Kaya
It's
naging
Wang. Kasi we thought no, it's owned by a Chinese. Maraming nagtatanong, ano? It's really unique, guys, no? Yun, we also have another guest for today. It's actually they're both couple. Si Mr. J. So guys, we're going to ask po Mr. J. Sir, ano po ba yung pagkakaiba? Why you're here in Cebu? And also, ano po yung edge ng bags niyo against other bags that we have in the industry?
When we started the business, if you would look at the designs, saan nagde-design ng bags natin, meron tayong dalawang component, no? The leather part and the jelly part. If you would notice, why jelly? Because, to tell you honestly, the birth of this was the first pandemic time. This was like last year. Sabi ni Weng, bakit ba pag pumapasok ako ng mall, palagi binubuksan yung bag ko? And she was not comfortable with that. That's why she designed the bags na transparent.
Okay.
Okay? Pero, sabi niya, okay yung transparent, pero gusto ko organized pa rin yung loob. Kapag nakita niya yung karamihan ng bag sa transparent, meron siyang organizer sa loob. Okay? So, yun yung reason why the bags are designed that way. Okay, now to answer your question, Jim, alam natin yung quarantine situation changes a lot. Okay? In Metro Manila, it can change abruptly. Pwede mag-ECQ dahil nga center eh. So sabi namin, why don't let's find a city just like Metro Manila that we could start the first Wang store. And we all know that Cebu is as big as Metro Manila. Right? At sabi rin namin, huwag natin ilagay sa mall. Kasi pag nilagay natin sa mall at nag-ECQ, automatic sarado tayo. Let's put it in a main road wherein whatever quarantine will be imposed by the government, it can operate provided that it will be following the usual protocol. Kaya kami nandito sa Cebu. Okay. Now, the next question was, ay paano tayo pupunta sa Cebu at paano tayo magtatayo ng store doon? Okay? I talked to my fraternity brother, which is Greg. And he actually rents this place for his business.
Okay.
And sabi niya sa akin, bro, pumunta tayo na Cebu, tingnan natin kung pwede tayo mag-dito. And that was like barely 30 days ago. And today, we are opening the store. So, thanks to Greg and his wife for sharing this space to us.
Yes.
Making the dream of my wife possible and true today. Right? Salamat.
Hindi po, nakikita namin is all bags pang female. Do you also have pang male po?
May panglalaki din tayo. May mga few pa lang. Pero, pinaprocess.
Okay.
Hindi na sa production.
Okay. Very good.
So, maglalabas tayo ng wallet, belt, um,
Eventually, this will all be
lahat ng may mga leather na pwedeng gawin.
Mm.
Lalabas natin.
fashion accessories. Well, in everything will be branded as one. Pero katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, no? Sinimulan niya sa bag, it's because during that time was pandemic and there was a need for a bag that can be easily sanitized.
Okay.
From there on, we'll venture into other products.
Right, very good. Well, it's a really brilliant idea, guys. Ayun, so mga kaminset, I'm pretty sure that you are very excited, especially sa mga babae, na mga bags natin super maganda at yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Weng and Sir Jay ito. And also, abangan, because they will also be bringing more products like the wallets, the belts, and everything made into leather. What a very brilliant idea. Please do not forget to also please follow and like their FB pages, which is dalawa po yun. Wang Cebu, of course here in Cebu, and Wang Manila, okay? If you have any inquiries, please do not hesitate to PM them. I will also be putting the FB page link po nila sa Wang Cebu Bags and Wang Cebu Manila sa description box natin, alright? Before anything else, before we will end this, I would also like to thank Wang Cebu, Ma'am Weng, Sir Jay for inviting us here. So guys, please also do not forget to follow my social media accounts. I do have TikTok, Facebook fan page, and also, of course, YouTube. Ito po yung JMT Mindset number 1! So guys, currently, tapos na po tayo dito sa ating blessings, no, kanina. And as you can see, sa likod natin, we're going to have a token for everyone. And also, magkakaroon tayo ng giveaways, which is 2 bags and also 1,000 voucher worth of Wang bags.
Let's start the program with the opening remarks by Mr. Anastasius, the Mayor of the District.
I now open the remarks today. So welcome to the opening of Wang. This is a new product line here in Cebu, but of course it already exists, started way back where was that? In Manila. And this will be an exciting venture for Wang here in Cebu. His familia and his wife, Karina. We welcome you all. And I hope, although pandemic, the quarantine will soon start tomorrow, but Sir Jay and Greg were very resilient. Pisana natin yan. Let's take opportunity. Kasi in every situation, kahit negative, always think positive. Huwag lang yung sa PCR test. So think positive tayo. And I hope with this new venture of Wang, it will be successful, and we pray also here. Thank you.
Wine toasting and
And now presenting 2021 BYC models featuring wine bags.
All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. And I'm standing... Ay! Mga ka-mindset! Gusto nyo bang bumili ng bag pero di matibay? Gusto nyo bang mag-travel pero wala kayong bag? So dito na po kayo sa #1 trending na bag. Check na mas matibay pa sa relasyon nyo with beauty and strength. Dito lang sa Wang Bag. You can also check their Facebook page. It's Wang Cebu. And so guys, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Of course, JMT Mindset. Guys, if you have any shoutouts, please comment down below. #JMT Mindsets. Shout out! Thank you very much. And once again, good morning, mga ka-mindset.